All right, good morning, everybody. It is February 16th. February 16th. So here we are with TWOU has switched, and we trade this on just the switch, on the switchback actually, and we also trade on the simple switch strategy. So right now we're on the switchback. We're looking at 59.36, 58.30, so about $1. So 100 shares. That's our risk reward right now. And we're going to jump in short in just a second here. 20 seconds. Oh, it's not confirming. Has to confirm. Okay, and confirmed. So we're in short. Okay, so since we're close to high of day here, I just put my speed bump for break of high of day. So this goes back the other direction, breaks high of day, will be reversed in our position, and then hopefully making some money recovering the loss. And as you've known from watching me trade TWOU the last several weeks, when I'm not trading the normal simple switch strategy, my modified play, this ticker has not been performing very well this year. So it's very close to getting taken off the list, but we'll see. We'll give it a little bit of time, and then we'll see what happens here. All right, so there we go. So if it backs up and we get out, then we get out. But I'll leave this here now and give this an opportunity to continue running, and we'll see how it does. Okay, so there we go. So we got out with 91 bucks, a little less than what our target was. Our target was 100. I could have flattened this trade and got that 100 probably, but all good. I wanted to give that little chance to give us a bigger move. So we'll take our 91 bucks and put it in the log. All right, everybody. So that's going to do it for me for today. We're going to go ahead and shut it down right there. So you can see here TWOU. We wrote it down at its target. Gave it a little. We tried to be a little bit patient with it. Got through the target. Tried to be a little bit patient with it, and then we still got stopped out. But you just never know if this is going to happen or if it's going to bounce and go back up. You just don't know. So it's one of those things. I mean, I could say technically I think it's going to be drawn to the low of day, and low of day is going to probably provide some support, and then it might bounce from there. I mean, I can easily say it on a technical basis, but once it retraces 50% of a giant candle like this, you really don't know what's going to happen. So, it's better to take my profit and call it a day. Almost got the full profit. 100 bucks was our goal. As right now we're trying to do risk reward of 100 with this, and 91 is still pretty good. So anyway, TWOU traded this on the switchback. So we had our switch one direction, then we switched back the other direction, and we trade it. So that was TWOU. Okay, let's go look at the rest of the day. Okay, so here's CVS. Unfortunately, I didn't get to my computer at the open of the market today. So CVS was a nice play on the simple switch strategy, the normal day trading strategy. So we had our switch, we got our permission, and then a nice little sell-off right here. So this would easily been, 1.5 hour probably. So it would have been sweet to trade that. Unfortunately, I wasn't here in the morning to trade it, so we missed out on that. That would have been another 100 bucks. And then here's QCOM. And for those of you who are new to the channel, I basically, I trade my day, but I trade the same tickers every day. So whether I trade them or not, I kind of show you what the tickers did for the day so that you can kind of see the algorithm's consistency and how it works and stuff like that, the profitability of the algorithm. So here's QCOM. I trade this on the switch, and then I speed bump it till I'm green. So right here we had our switch. So we would have got in at the close of that candle, 1 hour, boom, would have had our money right there in that candle. Another 100 bucks. So I just left $200 on the table today because I didn't come to the market at 9:30. But that's how it is. All right, so next one. All right, so we got NUGT here. I trade this only on the simple switch strategy right now, and I only trade it to the long side, so it's hard to borrow on the short side, so I don't trade it. But no switches. I mean, we got switches, but no permission for a trade. So, and I usually only trade till 12:30 or so. At least enter a trade. I stop entering trades at around 12:30. Occasionally I'll do one at 1, but usually 12:30 I'm done. And then I'll just be in whatever I'm in. If it takes all day, it takes all day. All right, so then APPS is our last one. So here's APPS, and again, a normal simple switch strategy. We trade this on long and short, but we didn't get permission with any switches. So no trade on APPS today. So that's it. So I had 3 trade opportunities. I only took advantage of one of them, unfortunately, and that's how it goes. Okay, so here's the log for today. So We're able to put TWOU in here, short, where we entered exit 100 shares, and on the switchback, on the simple switchback, and so forth. So we got our $91 on it, and we were looking for a dollar move on it, but we captured 91 cents. So we came up a little bit short. That's how it is. And then, yeah, so that's great. So up here, we're slowly digging this account back out of the hole. We just got $28 left, so one more green trade. If I took those other two trades, we'd be doing great right now. Let's go look at dashboard. So dashboard, February, here we are. So I had some futures trades today. So we're 116 bucks. I still have a futures trade open right now, actually. So hopefully that will conclude and we'll make a little bit more money on that one. And the futures account, we're almost out of the hole, $17 left, and we'll get out of that hole. It was a rough start the first couple weeks. So, but yeah, so that's it basically. So February so far, we're green on the month, and we'll just keep it rolling. So if you can hit that like button, that would help me out a lot with YouTube, so they can start sharing these videos with more people. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon, then you can be notified of updates. I will have some educational series coming out here shortly. Just got to wrap up a few other things. Got a new algo getting ready to hit the website. So anybody interested in algo trading, I got a new one getting ready to show up that's going to be based off of scalping. So it's a pretty short term in and out, and it works on pretty much every time frame: 5 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15, 4 hour, daily. And I've used it with Forex, futures, and equities. One algorithm for everything. It's pretty awesome. So that'll be, I've been working hard on getting that class up. It's 5 years in the making, that algorithm, and I'm super excited to release it here soon. But just got to get the educational piece done before I can get it up there. So been really busy with that. A lot of my trading is going to, this next couple of weeks is going to take precedence to try to create content for that. So I may not have as many trades on YouTube the next couple of weeks, but I will have some educational content coming out as well as showcasing that new algorithm. All right, everybody, have an awesome day.